Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining us today. I'm Lin, and I'm excited to introduce to you all our project, EzPzOS. EzPzOS is a web-based ordering platform designed for offline restaurants. It helps restaurant owners manage both dine-in and takeaway orders, improve customer experience, and expand their business. Our platform is mobile-first and offers a user-friendly interface, including QR code scanning for easy access. For the tech stack, we use TypeScript, Express for the backend, and SQL Server for the database. We integrated Prisma as an ORM for efficient backend communication, built RESTful APIs for smooth interactions, used Tailwind CSS for styling, and tested our APIs with Postman. Next, I'll outline our project plan and completed features. Despite tight deadlines, our team has worked diligently to accomplish as much as possible. Our goal is to create a personalizable, web-based ordering platform that streamlines the ordering process, enhances the user experience, simplifies menu management, and facilitates better interaction between customers and restaurant staff. So far, we have completed the full UI design and the database infrastructure. In terms of development milestones, we've successfully implemented a fully functional user sign-up and login system using JWT services. For state management and authentication, we use Redux along with Axios interceptors and developed auth middleware for backend validation. Users can also upload and edit their avatar and personal details on the profile page. We have also built the core ordering system where users can browse the menu, view dish details, add items to their shopping cart, and place orders. We are continuing to refine this feature by adding more restaurants. Additionally, we've developed a menu management feature for restaurant owners to easily add, edit, or delete dishes from their menu. To enhance visibility, we created a temporal admin role with full access to business-related pages, including the kitchen and business management dashboards. Now Ben will take you through our DevOps works.
Thank you, Lin. Hello, next slide, please. Hello, everyone. I'm Ben, and I'm glad to introduce our project architecture. Let's walk through our architecture diagram and see how each part fits in our workflow. As you can see, we use GitHub as a repo to manage code and version control, and use Jenkins to deploy CI/CD. Additionally, we use AWS Cloud Service to support our project. Now I will provide an overview of our architecture, covering both front-end and the back-end side. On the front-end side, when the developer updated the code in the GitHub, the Jenkins server will trigger automatically to deploy CI/CD. We use an S3 bucket to store the website, and use CloudFront as a CDN service to reduce latency and enhance performance. Meanwhile, we use Load 53 service to DNS management. On the back-end side, we use VPC for the network service and deploy ECS within a private subnet for enhanced security. Similar to the front end, the back end to use GitHub and Jenkins for CI/CD deployment. Docker images are stored in the Amazon ECR, and the ECS manages the container running these images. We employ application load balancer to handle and distribute data traffic. Additionally, Amazon RDS is used for our database. For infrastructure management, we use Terraform to define and manage all the cloud service. After completing the deployment for both front-end and back-end, we will carry out CloudWatch and Grafana for monitoring. CloudWatch will track and monitor all AWS resources, providing detailed insight into system performance. Grafana will use for data visualization, allow us to analyze metrics, set up alerts, and manage notification. Next slide, please. Let's move on the Jenkins front-end pipeline. The pipeline is defined within the Jenkins file, which outlines the steps for the whole process. The first step is for Jenkins to git clone from the repo to proceed to the build stage. We use npm to install dependency and build the application. This step ensures that the potential issues are caught early before deployment. Once build completes successfully, Jenkins prepared the necessary build files such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which is crucial for our website. These files are deployed to our S3 bucket. The S3 bucket service is the hosting platform for the front end, making it easily accessible to the website. To further enhance performance and provide global availability, we integrate Amazon CloudFront as a CDN service. This allows our users, regardless their location, to faster loading deliver content from nearest server. Additionally, CloudFront ensures that all traffic is secured by using HTTPS, improving both security and user trust. Next slide, please. This slide is about pipeline for the backend. When the developer committing and pushing the code to the GitHub, a Jenkins pipeline is triggered. This pipeline begins by retrieving the most new version of the backend code from repo, guided by the instruction outlined in the Jenkins file. Jenkins file initiates the Docker container, where we run npm install to set up all the necessary dependency for the project. Once the application is built, Jenkins packs the Docker image and push it to the ECR. From ECR, the image is deployed to the ECS bucket, where the backend runs to the serverless container environment. Here is the application load balancer come into play. The ALB configured with the listener later forward incoming requests from the front end to the target group. Overall, these tools ensure that we have a secure and scalable platform to deliver our application globally. That is all my part. Then I will hand over to Chris to introduce ECS and EKS part of our architecture.
Thanks, Ben. Hi, everyone. My name is Chris, and I will walk you through the deployment of our backend Express application, which we initially deploy using AWS ECS Fargate. Fargate allow us to run the Express backend in a serverless, containerized environment, scaling based on demand without managing any underlying infrastructure. After packaging the backend into Docker images and pushing them to ECR, the Fargate tasks were deployed behind the application load balancer, which routed traffic from our frontend hosted on S3 bucket to the backend. As an additional deployment option, we explore Amazon EKS, which provided even more flexibility and control over our container orchestration. In this setup, we deploy the backend using Kubernetes pods. Before deployment, we configure the ingress controller along with an ingress resource, acting as a routing layer similar to the ALB in ECS. The ingress provided external access to the backend, allowing traffic to flow from our front-end web app into the cluster. A major benefit of using ingress was its ability to define routing rules at the application layer, making traffic management easier and more efficient. It also simplified SSL termination for secure connections, which was crucial for handling sensitive customer data and online payments. Next, we set up Kubernetes service to expose the backend running in the pod. The cluster IP type service enabled internal communication between pods, while the ALB managed external traffic. This architecture ensured the backend was always reachable by both the front-end and internal services. For security, we implemented IAM roles within the EKS cluster to control access to RDS and ECR. Each pod was granted permission based on its role, reducing the risk of exposing credentials. Finally, we ensure zero downtime deployments using Kubernetes rolling updates, which allows us to deploy new versions of the backend without interrupting the live service. This is essential for our real-time platform, ensuring that customers and restaurants can continue interacting with the system during updates. To wrap up, we successfully deployed the Express backend using both ECS Fargate and EKS with Docker containers, leveraging ingress controllers for traffic management and IAM roles for security. Now I hand it over to Leo from that team to do the demo for our project. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. I'm Leo, and I will introduce some functions of web pages. This is our main page. It has a logo here and have 3 options: dine-in, booking, and takeaway. Following are 2 login options. If you are a current customer, you can click login, and if you are a new customer, you can click sign up. Now I will start from the sign up for business client. Our business customer can sign up their account and operate their business, use our web pages. Just a simple click sign up. And then this is our sign-in page. We provide 2 options for sign-in. One is through the phone number, and the one is use our Google emails. Now I will use a existing business account to display some functions for business customer.
Oh, sorry, Leo. You need to go to the login page to do this.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, as the account already exists, we just need to log in, and this is the dashboard for business. And there have 2 images. Kitchen is for our customer to check the menu status and the order status, and check the dishes. And admin, maybe they can check booking status and some other informations. And the following have 3 other options: reports, booking notification, and data. For these functions, our customer can pull down reports like active customer or their dish status, and the booking notification. They can check the bookings, and the data means they can check the active tables and other informations. Just click the kitchen. Yeah, this is the menu list. Our menu have 2 status: available and unavailable. Available dishes means customer can order this dish, and unavailable means this dish are currently inactive and users cannot order them. If our customer want to add a new dish, just select add a new button and input dish name like spicy chicken. Description just like spicy, or any features our customer want to put in. Simply put price and a category just like main cuisine. And we also provide tag information so our customer can make their dishes more obvious by adding taggers. And this is a availability check. The default is the available, but we can also click this and change it to available. We have an easy method to upload image. Just select one image and put here. Customer can customize page size and click save. Now everything is okay for a new dish, and just click Add a New button. Yeah, the new dish is over there. And if our customer want to edit the dish, just click the icon here. Go to the features page. Our customer can simple click Edit button and then change the features here. And also they can click this one to make it unavailable. So end users cannot order this food. Just click button. The dish will be updated. If they want to delete the dish, just click the icon again. Click delete button and confirm delete. Yeah, the menu will be removed from the page. This is the current function for business client. In the next section, I will show how to sign up and what's the functions for our end users. If our business client want to log off, just click their avatar and you click the navigation bar here and just simple click log out. Yeah, if I am a new customer, enter a restaurant and want to sign up to use the app, just click the sign up button and simple input my phone number. Our website will send one-time password to our mobile phone. Input the code here. And click the continue button. Yeah, this is the pages we can create our account. Just input our name and email. And click the create account button. System will tell us our account has been created successfully. Just like main page, there are also 3 options here, and we can edit our profile by select the avatar. Yeah, this is our profile page. At the corner, this is a scan button. We can scan the QR code in the restaurant, and our website will record our table and record our orders and send it to the kitchen to prepare food. And this is the hamburger navigation bar. By clicking this, we can easily go to different pages to check some information. The orders means the history and current order, and the vouchers shows the active voucher we can use. We can also change settings of our web pages like language or just click a help to get some technical help. Now I will introduce how to update our client information. Just click the navigation bar here. We can change our name. Just confirm. Yeah, name has been changed, and we can re-upload our avatar. Choose from gallery. And use this one. Open. And customize our avatar. Just save and upload it. Yeah, everything will be updated. In the next section, I will show how to order food use our web pages. If we want to dine in, just click dine in. This is the restaurant information, including restaurant name, restaurant page, and some restaurant features. We can also switch dine-in or takeaway by simple click the buttons, and we can also use the call staff to call assistance of the restaurant. There are some hot sale dishes. Our business client can edit this in their end to make some promotions, and in here we can check the dishes of the restaurant. If we want to order any dishes, just click the button here, and it will display the dish features like spicy or not spicy, or if we want to add some extra ingredients, we can select here, and we can also edit the number we want to order, and a simple click add to cart. Yeah, if we want to order more food, just use the same method. After confirming the order, we can click the Go to Cart button to check the dishes in our cart and edit their numbers. By clicking plus button, we can add more food, and click the recycle button, we can reduce the amount of the food. The subtotal amount will also be changed. If we change the amount to 0, the dish will be removed from the order status. After everything is okay, just click the Go to Checkout. If we select Dine here, the next page will be a table booking page. We can select how many people will be there, and date, time, just click Continue. Yeah, this page is confirming our booking, and we'll reserve a table for our. If we want to order takeaway food, just click the takeaway button. Same as the order process. And you go to cart to review our order, and click takeaway here, go to checkout. And this is the order status for our takeaway. After everything is good, we can simple log off. Yeah, that's it. That is the current function of our web pages. And in the next section, our team member Eric will do a summarize for our project.
Thanks to the developers and the DevOps teams for their excellent presentations. I'm Eric, and I will be covering the future plans and the conclusion for our project. Currently, our focus is to implement menu and shopping cart module and ensuring the platform is fully responsive for both clients and businesses. These updates will greatly enhance the user's experience. As we look ahead, our priorities will shift to bug fix and final refinements. Extensive testing will be key to make sure that all features work smoothly in real-world conditions, from order management to menu interactions. In conclusion, I'm proud of the team's progress and the collaboration. This achievement would not have been possible without the collective effort and the dedication of every team member. I also want to extend my gratitude to our tutor for his invaluable guidance and support throughout the process. As we approach the final stages of the platform, I'm confident that we will deliver a product that transforms the restaurant operations and improves the customer's experience. Thank you.